Welcome back to Ask a CPA, where we address your pressing tax questions. Today we're tackling a common question, and this one comes from Noah in Kansas City. Noah asks, does my dependent child need to file their own tax return? This is a great question, Noah. Thanks so much for asking. And Noah submitted his question through our website at askacpa.co. Now, the IRS has set guidelines to determine when a dependent child must file their own tax return. Now, for 2024, your dependent child is required to file a tax return if any of the 5 following conditions apply. So, first, if they have earned income over $14,600. Now, this would include wages, salaries, tips, or any even taxable scholarships. Number 2, if they have unearned income over $1,300. Now, this would include interest, dividends, and capital gains. And 3, if their gross income exceeds the standard deduction. So for dependents, this is typically the greater of $1,300 or their earned income plus $450, but not more than $14,600. And number 4, if they have self-employment income over $400. So if your child had net earnings from self-employment income of $400 or more, they must file a tax return and will likely owe self-employment tax on that income. And number 5, if they're going to owe additional taxes. So this can include taxes on retirement account distributions or Social Security benefits or Medicare taxes on unreported tips. Now, even if your child isn't mandated to file, it might be beneficial to do so. Now, here are 3 reasons why you may choose to file a tax return even if your child doesn't meet the filing requirements. So first, if they're going to receive a tax refund. So if taxes were withheld from their paychecks, filing a tax return could result in a refund. Next, if they're going to get educational credits, so they might qualify for credits like the American Opportunity Tax Credit, which can reduce their tax liability. 3, if they're establishing a filing history, so filing early can help them understand the tax system and establish a good financial record. Generally, your child's earned income should be reported on their own tax return. However, if their only income is unearned, like interest and dividends, and it's below $13,000, you might have the option to include them on your tax return under tax form 8814. Now, be cautious because this could increase your taxable income and potentially your tax rate. Now, in summary, guys, whether your dependent child needs to file a tax return depends on their income and their types of income. Even if not required, filing can still have advantages such as securing a refund or claiming additional tax credits. If you have any further questions, make sure to consult with a CPA or drop your questions in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit that like button, that subscribe button, hit the bell notifications so you don't miss out on any great episodes. For Ask a CPA, we'll see you guys next time. Cheers.